Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Deel, a global HR platform that helps companies hire and manage remote employees. Deel is a really interesting company, and I've been following them for a while now. I'm excited to share my thoughts on whether or not Deel is available in the USA. If you're a company that's looking to hire remote employees, you might be wondering if Deel is the right platform for you. In this video, I'll be answering that question and giving you some of the pros and cons of using Deel. Deel is a global HR platform that helps companies hire and manage remote employees. The company was founded in 2019 and is headquartered in San Francisco. Deel offers a variety of services, including payroll. Deel can process payroll for employees in over 150 countries. Benefits. Deel offers a variety of benefits to employees, including health insurance, dental insurance, and life insurance. Compliance. Deel helps companies comply with local labor laws and regulations. Is Deel available in the USA? Yes, Deel is available in the USA. However, there are some limitations to using Deel in the USA. Deel can only process payroll for employees who are not U.S. citizens or residents. This means that if you're a U.S. company, you can't use Deel to hire U.S.-based employees. However, Deel can be a great option for U.S. companies that want to hire remote employees from other countries. Deel can help you with the visa and immigration process, as well as with payroll and benefits. Pros and cons of using Deel in the USA. Pros. Deel can help you hire remote employees from all over the world. Deel can help you with the visa and immigration process. Deel can help you with payroll and benefits. Deel is a very user-friendly platform. Cons. Deel can only process payroll for employees who are not U.S. citizens or residents. Deel is more expensive than some other HR platforms. Overall, I think Deel is a great option for companies that want to hire remote employees from other countries. Deel is a comprehensive platform that offers a variety of services, and it's very user-friendly. However, it's important to note that Deel can only process payroll for employees who are not U.S. citizens or residents. If you're interested in learning more about Deel, I encourage you to check out their website. You can also sign up for a free trial to see how the platform works. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos about remote work.